Hello, in this practical activity we have to study SCR performance. This is a sample circuit diagram for SCR characteristics, and for this activity, for this experiment, we require power supply, ammeter, voltmeter, SCR and different resistors. Now this is a sample circuit. This is a sample circuit, actual kit. This is actual kit of SCR, and on this kit we have to study and observe the voltage and reading across a SCR and note down the corresponding readings. Now here you can observe in this arrangement 12 volt supply is connected, 12 volt AC is connected. It is variable resistor, it is a variable resistor. It is a diode connected and it is RG, resistance for gate terminal. Diode is connected across this. When I vary the resistance, then this diode will be forward bias and the current will flow through this SCR. So by using this arrangement, I can measure the voltage across a SCR. Now the voltage is 0.2 and minimum value of voltage. As I change the value of resistor, as I increase the resistance, then what will happen? The voltage value increases. If I change the value of a resistor, then what will happen? Voltage through this SCR, it will be very less, and this SCR, it will turn on. Now here you can observe current through this SCR is 0.66 milliampere and voltage is approximately negligible value of voltage. A small amount of voltage will flow through this. So current through this SCR is 0.6 milliampere. In this way, this SCR, it will conduct, or SCR will turn on and turn off, and by using this voltmeter and ammeter we can measure value of voltage and current through this SCR. Now consider another similar arrangement for SCR characteristics. In this arrangement, this is a SCR and gate terminal of this SCR is connected to RG. RG is variable resistor and it is variable gate voltage. It is a variable gate voltage. Now by using this arrangement, I can vary the value of the voltage and I can change this gate current. So in this way I can control the value of gate current to this SCR. When I increase value of gate current, then this SCR, it will turn on. So I have already connected this setup. Now when I turn on the switch, if I change the value of Vg, then you can observe the current, it increases. As I increase value of Vg, the gate current Ig, value of Ig is 0.22 or 0.2 milliampere right now. So in this way I can vary the gate current for this SCR. By using multimeter, I can measure the gate voltage. Gate voltage, it can be varied from 0 to 2 volt. So here, if I vary the knob, then what will happen? The gate voltage, I can vary the gate voltage. Whenever I vary the gate voltage, so gate current, it will also change. Both the gate voltage and gate current I can measure with the help of multimeter as well as ammeter and plot these values for SCR characteristics. So in this way, I can measure the value of VAK. VAK means anode to cathode voltage. IA means anode current, voltage and current between anode to cathode as well as anode current, and plot these characteristics for SCR. Thank you.